If your PS5 controller is not connecting, here's how to fix it. Start by making sure the controller is charged or connected to the console with a USB-C cable to ensure it has enough power for pairing. Next, press the PlayStation button on the controller to try connecting it to console and watch for the light bar to confirm it's attempting a connection. Also, restart your PS5 to refresh the console's Bluetooth system and clear any temporary glitches that could block pairing. Then, try resetting the controller by pressing the small reset button on the back with a paper clip or similar tool, holding it briefly to clear previous connections. Finally, reconnect the controller through USB or Bluetooth and test it by navigating the menu to confirm all the buttons are responding properly. For more PS5 tips, watch our next video on fixing PS5 controller drifting issues.